It's Chris Marshall with Apex Mortgage Group, and welcome to Mortgage Marshall's Minute. Did you know that you can qualify to purchase a home with a 550 credit score using the FHA program? In this video, I will show you the 4 requirements to do so. But first, let me preface that these qualifications that I'm going to break down for you only pertain to those home buyers who have a credit score below 580. When your credit score is above 580, the terms are even better. Requirement 1, it must be your primary property, so you have to plan to live in this property. Requirement 2, the property will need to be anywhere from 1 to 4 units. Requirement 3, no Chapter 7 bankruptcies within the last 2 years. If you're currently in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you'll need the last 12 months of on-time payments and approval from the bankruptcy trustee. Requirement 4, you must have the minimum required investment of 10%. These funds can only come from the following sources: a family member, your employer or labor union, a close friend with a clearly defined and documented interest, a charitable organization, your stock and investment accounts, your retirement accounts such as 401k, 403b, and IRA, and then lastly, your cash value life insurance. Those are the 4 requirements to purchase a home with a 550 credit score. This is Mortgage Marshall's Minute. My goal is to help you build wealth through homeownership. And if you or someone that you know need assistance navigating the home buying process, contact me today. I'll talk to you soon.